In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily save Snapchat pictures to your device's photos gallery. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Snapchat app. After that, tap right here at your profile picture to go to that page, and then tap at that gear to go to settings. Now here, guys, we are looking for the option Memories, and once you find it, you need to tap on it to open it up. And that's where we can easily find the option Save button. If we get in here, we can configure it. We can choose memories and camera roll, or just camera roll. The default option here is memories. However, if you would like to save Snapchat pictures directly to your device's photos gallery, you need to choose memories and camera roll, or just camera roll. I recommend you to set it to memories and camera roll so that you can, by taking picture at Snapchat, create memories and also save this picture to your photos gallery. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.